Hello friends, today we will be making an Arduino powered servo controller with joystick. A SG90 servo, joystick, few jumper cables. So a joystick is a kind of sensor used with our fingers. It is widely used in gamepad and remote controllers. It has two potentiometers for the X and Y axis and a push button for the Z axis. Here we have 5 pins: ground, VCC, X axis, Y axis and the switch pin for the Z axis. Here the servo's signal pin will be attached to digital pin 9 of the Arduino. Now as we rotate the potentiometers of the joystick, the servo moves to a specific angle. Thank you for watching this video.